Hi friends, this is a different video because today I'm going to copy one of the strategies from Katie Tutorials, which is a binary options channel, and we are going to see what happens, if it really works or not.
We have a very cool method that does not need to help of any indicator. It consists of two main indicators. As for the question of which time is better to trade, I will ask such and other questions during the trading process. The main thing is to do correctly what is shown in the video, and the result will be very cool. I start with $600, and today I will try to see a lot of good moments and describe each trade.
First, she indicates that she uses 1-minute candles. Use a moving average with period 102. In type, EMA, red color, and tech line. It's something similar to our strategy number 5, but she doesn't use fractals. Instead, she uses the awesome oscillator, slow period 2 and fast period 200.
So come back to me for a good moment. I want to bet 300 because it's a wonderful moment. If the price goes down, I will bet the remaining 300 because the situation is clearly upward. As the indicator tell us, the EMA has crossed the green candle. When the situation is ascending, the main thing is that awesome oscillators thin candles are all on top. Look closely at the platform, and I think the red candle went out, and I bet another 300 because it's very hard for the red candle to go down.
According to what I was seeing, to buy, a green candle must cross the EMA moving average, and all the bars of the awesome oscillator must, as far as possible, be green and go up, as well as be above the white line. And to be able to sell, a red candle must cross the EMA moving average, and all the bars of the awesome oscillator must, as far as possible, be red and go down, in addition to being below the white line.
So I will bet $300 here because it's almost the same moment as the previous moment. One difference is that it is a downward trend, but there are strong sales as indicated by the big red candle. Maybe I can capture another good moment and then explain the essence of the strategy. A good moment was not delayed, and I will bet double 300 here because I like the layout of such indicators and candles. This time we lost the previous one. No matter what, we will win double here. So look at EMA crossing the green candle, and then the mountain made, the candles made a strong buy, then the situation stabilized and there was a strong sell, which led to a strong drop. Therefore, this process will not stop. The indicators of EMA and awesome oscillator also give a downward signal, and so it happens. This is a minimal candle analysis and strategy combined, so the method is really good, and this is the fact.
She performs the operation 1 or 2 candles after the candle that crosses the EMA moving average. To more effectiveness, I will do the operation as soon as the candle that crosses the EMA moving average closes. That is, as soon as the next candle begins, and then I wouldn't do any operation because it would be too late. As you can see here, she did one operation on this candle, but if she had done it on this one, the operation would have been a winner. Here, she did the operation very well. I think it's a good strategy, so let's go and try it. Well guys, I was looking for a good entry for a long time and here I found one. It isn't perfect, since for it to be perfect, all the bars of the awesome oscillator should be red. Even so, a red candle crossed to the EMA moving average and the bars of the awesome oscillator were below the line. I did the operation and it seems to be going quite well. I want you to tell me in the comments if it was difficult for you to find entries or if you found them quickly. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell to see all my new binary options strategies. In my opinion, it's a very good strategy, but it's very slow to find the entries. I always try to find a balance between good strategies and many entry opportunities, because I prefer short trading sessions. I don't like to spend hours and hours to find a single entry, but that depends on each one. The strategy works and she clearly demonstrates it. I would like there to be more entry opportunities so I could make several trades in a short period of time. So that is the only defect I find in the strategy. I think that is the fault of the awesome oscillator, so I will take out that indicator and instead put the fractals, which will take us to strategy number 5 of our channel that I leave in the description in case you want to see it. Well guys, I invite you to see my other strategies. I always try to provide high winning and fast strategies, so I hope they serve you and see you in the next video guys.